Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Selo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. A Zimbabwean prophet who is known as Prophet Mellontic Orasi, who has predicted a lot of Mzansi celebrities' destiny and has passed in almost all his predictions, has come out and said this about Kelly Khumalo, who has been linked and accused of accidentally shooting Senzo Mayiwa. Prophet Mellontic Orasi had this to say about Kelly Khumalo, you guys. He wrote, Kelly Khumalo, if you have prayed before, then start now. Dark clouds are rising. He further went on to write, until the case is over, proper security is needed for Kelly. Cold blood murder. Don't kill her. Now there you have it, you guys. Please do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share and also subscribe. I'll surely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Tell me what you think. Bye.